Ferrari GTC for CarPlay installation tutorial. Open the glove box first. We need to disassemble the glove box. There are a few screws here. One screw here. Another screw there. Take out the side panels. Here's a buckle and another buckle. And this side is locked to this side panel. Pay attention to that. And don't break the buckle of this panel. Buckle down the side panels of the passenger seat. There are 3 screws in the glove box. Disassemble all of them. Look at the bottom of the glove box. 1, 2. Take out these 2 screws. There is a spherical push rod here. It's in this position. Do not use tools to pry here. Pull outward with your fingers, and it's done. This box has 4 screws here. It can be taken out after disassembling these 4 screws. There is a plug. Remove it. Take out these 7 screws. Don't forget to remove another 2 screws. Otherwise, it will not come out. This side has loosened after removing the screws. Another screw here. Remove it. Two more screws here. Now this panel has been disassembled. We can see the head unit. This is the connector for the light. We disconnected it. Back to the head unit. For GTC4, we're connected on this plug. Power supply is connected here. Connect the 2 plugs. We put CarPlay modules in this position. Here. Put it in this place and fix it.